In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Pandadoc contract template. To begin, make sure you are signed in to Pandadoc and looking at your main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, find and click Templates. This area is where Pandadoc stores reusable documents that you can use again and again, which is ideal for contracts. Once you are in Templates, click the button for adding a new template, shown as Plus Template. This will open the template creation options so you can start building your contract layout. Next, select Template. This option is used for creating a standard reusable document. At this point, you can either start from scratch or use an existing template that is already available in your workspace. Using an existing template can save time if it already includes sections you commonly need, like terms, payment details, or general contract language. Either way, the goal is to open a template in the editor so you can add roles and fields. Once the template is open, go to the right sidebar and click Manage Roles. Roles control who is expected to fill out or sign different parts of the document. In the role name field, type a clear role name such as singer or another title that matches the person who will sign the contract. Then click Create Role. Keeping role names simple and consistent helps avoid confusion later, especially if you use the template across many agreements. Now you will add content to the page. From the right sidebar, drag a text block onto the document. Place it where it makes sense in the contract layout. Text blocks are useful for headings, instructions, or any custom language you want to include. Take a moment to position it neatly, since spacing and layout will affect how professional the final contract looks. Finally, add the signature. In the right sidebar, drag a signature field onto the page. Place it in the signature area of the contract, usually near the bottom. Before you finish, confirm that the signature field is assigned to the role you created, such as singer. This assignment is important because it tells Pandadoc exactly who is responsible for signing when you send the contract out. That covers everything you need to know.